The evolution of WordPress and its integration with agentic artificial intelligence is something we'll be seeing very soon with the release of WordPress 7.0. Its new connectors module is set to change the way we interact with and consume information. For enthusiasts like me who couldn't wait and have already installed the release candidate, there's some exciting news. We've added a new feature to calculated fields form that allows you to directly use the AI connectors configured in WordPress, right from the form generation modules and the assistant. The first step, if you haven't done it already, is to activate an AI provider connector in your WordPress installation. WordPress 7.0 comes with 3 connectors by default: Anthropic, Google, and OpenAI. However, you can install additional connectors from the WordPress directory. Once you've activated an AI provider, you can go to the option to create a new form. You'll notice a new provider in the list called WordPress AI Connector. From there, all you need to do is describe the form you want, and Calculated Fields form will use the AI provider configured in WordPress to generate it for you.